What it do, kings and queens? It's your boy, the Underground Paint King, the People's Champ, back with another video. And yeah, it's been a minute, but gotta drop something, so here we go. Alright, so we're sitting here with the 03 Pontiac Vibe, and you can see the damage, front bumper cover, fender, and the light. So we're gonna strip it down, replace those parts, and get it ready for paint. So let's get to it. All right, getting the front bumper taken apart, and it's got little rubber pieces that's got Phillips screws in it, and you got a little plastic one. Can't see it, but it's another little Phillips screw in there. So that holds the top part together. So we'll get that off and get the bumper off. All right, and it's also got a screw there and another one there on the top. All right, so we got a 10mm bolt here and one on the inside of here. So we undo those two, and if anything else, we'll find that, and then we should be good to go and ready to take this thing apart. They just don't make cars like they used to. All right, got that one out. Got the bottom out. Now let's find out what else is holding it together. Pop a couple clips and it look like we pretty much there. Undo the fog light in here. Looks like I found another 10mm holding it on. So I'm gonna get that and then we'll cut you back on. Well, we was wrong. Something else holding it, so let's find out what it is and get it off. All right, whatever you do, when you're taking parts off the car, try not to hit the rest of the car like I just did, and then cause yourself having to fix and paint something else. Taking off some more 10mm. Getting the headlight out. Stubborn little thing too. Alright, I might be tripping, but this is taking forever to come out. So, that might be why. It's probably broke. Alright, and there goes the headlight. And a puddle of water in it. Alright, getting to the fender, and we got the most of it broke apart already. Got another couple screws, 10 millimeter heads on them. And we'll get those undone and get this fender off, and then we can take off what's good. We're gonna reuse this. We just finish it up and clean it up, put it with the rest of the fender. Got a couple smashed up little pieces here in the core support, so we'll straighten that out so we can get the headlight back in, and we are going to straighten that out so that we can get it off of here, and we can set the fender back in place correctly. So we'll probably use the porta power, maybe. And we'll just see what we do. We'll come up with something. All right, we got the fender off, which wasn't too difficult, especially since the bottom of it was rusted out. But we got it off. Straightened out a little bit where the light goes. We might straighten that out a little bit more. And there is the aftermarket fender that we're gonna put back together and put on. And here is the portion here that you can see that rusted out on the original fender. That is completely gone. All of it was rusted out and gone. So we put it back together like it's supposed to be. Got the bumper, top and bottom portion. So let's get this thing back together and get it ready. All right, without boring you to death about this Pontiac Vibe, I just went ahead, put it together enough to where I can get it painted. Still got some pieces that need to go on it, but we got it painted, got it cleared. So it's a done job. Just got to put it together, and it'll be going out the door. So another quick job done. Got little grills go at the bottom. Fog lights got to put in. Got some grills there that's got to go in. So emblem. There's the old bumper there. So we'll take off what we need off that one. Slap everything back together on this one. And we'll put her together and get her out the door. So let's finish her up, get her all back together and get it out the door.